Used to be, it didn't have to mean anything. I didn't have to be in any certain place or space. When it came, filling pages to the brim on a whim, it seems, tapping into my dreams or basement dark desires. Those secret fires I hid from so well, it's like they weren't even there until pen-licked paper led them, blinking, into the light. These days I still like cheap notebooks best, but they don't fill up anymore. It's all laborious now, stretching like that word across the throat of my poetry. A noose, but not loose enough. There's no wriggling out or being rescued by a shout for help. Like kelp, it wraps around my mouth and eyes, smothering me in compromise. What will I give up? What piece of me floats away so the rest can stay whole in a broken sort of way? This is how it is now, a half-told lie to keep me dry as I drown in a sea of my own wet, unmet potential. Thanks.